Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Blowin Coupons, and today's video, yes, I got to CVS and did my spend 40 get 10 deal. Now y'all, I use my well, not my EBT card. I used the EBT card to start my spend 40 get 10 deal because what? That's the best way to do it. You get you a $10 extra care buck back, and you got all kind of juices and stuff that you need for your house, honey. Yes. All right, so before we get started, I need you to like this video. Like this video right now because you already know it's going to be great. And if you ain't subscribed to my channel, honey, what you waiting on? I show you how to save money, honey, because over here, we blow coupons and not money. Yes. All right, so let's get started with this spend 40, get 10 CVS deal. Okay, y'all, so again, I started my spend 40, get 10 deal with a EBT card. So this is what I got in my transaction. Sometimes if you don't have any money, and all you got is an EBT card, you got to make that work. That's why couponing is so valuable when you have a big family. It's just a little bit of an effort to just save money. That's all. You know, sometimes I wish that I knew this when I was had my daughter young. I wish I knew this, but since she's grown and, you know, whatever, I'm just going to show y'all. So here we go. If you got an EBT card, this is where you start. Start right here. All right. So this week's deal is buy one, get one free on the juices. So last week the splash juice wasn't included in the spend 40 get 10. This week it's included, honey. I'm excited because I love VA splash. Yes, they got mango peach. Now these are $3.59. Yep, these are $3.59. And if you buy one, you're going to get the second one for half off, which is $1.80. So $3.59, $1.80. So I got 4 of them. So I got 4 of the VA juices. I got tropical blend. I got berry blend. The cashier said this is so good. So I hope it's good. I never tried it. And then I got, what kind is this? Mango peach. I can't wait. So buy one, get one half off, $3.59. The second one would be $1.80. Fiji water, honey. This is the only water I like. I ain't even like. I love Fiji water. I could sit and drink this whole thing of Fiji water. I'm just one of that type of person that I just love water that tastes good. Everybody say water tastes the same, but it don't. It don't. Fiji water is the best, and it's hot in a mofo. So if you can catch it on sale, honey, you better run. All right, so this Fiji water is also included in the spend 40 get 10. The Fiji water is $3.69. And the second one is going to be $1.84. So $3.69, $1.84. So I got 4 of them. So that's what I got. I got 4 splash and 4 Fijis. Okay. The next thing I got is some apple juice. Now, Puka like this apple juice. It's better to get juice that got less sugar in it. So they had it on sale again this week. The apple juice was $4.29. Dang, we at Bloomingdale's over here. $4.29, and then the second one was $2.14. So $4.29, $2.14. I got 2 of them. So 4 splashes, 4 Fijis, 2 Mott's apple juice. Then, honey, I'm just gonna do it like this. I had a whole sweet tooth. Anybody that know me know I love Reese's cup, honey. I started to get a bunch. I started to get the whole. Y'all, listen. When I went into CVS, my intention was to buy 40 packages of Reese's cups, right? So the cashier, he know me now. He like, what you finna do with all this candy? Because I'm getting boxes of them. Because I need 40 of them so I get my $10 extra care buck. So he was looking at me like, what is going on? So he said, you about to buy all of them? I said, yeah. He said, oh. He kind of looked at me with a strange look, like 40 of them? But, you know, he minded his business. So then when I went back there, I thought about it. I'm not about to take 40 Reese's cups home because y'all already know I would have been sitting in my bed eating all these Reese's cups and I would have had a mean cavity. So, nope, I'm not finna even do that to myself. So I end up getting more juice and water and just getting a couple Reese's cups. So I got, let me see, so I got 12 assorted candy. These are included in the spend 40, get 10. Now, so I got 12 of them. I got 12 of them. They're 2 for $2 or $1 a piece. So that was $12 in candy that I got. I got 12 of them. And then hiding in the back was the last. Trying to find. And then hiding in the back was the last game. I know y'all like this little ghetto. This is a little ghetto video, but it is what it is. I'm in a car today because I just had to stop through here so I could get my spend 40, get 10. So tomorrow I'll go back to CVS and get some other deals. But at least I'm going in there with some money, honey. Yes, some CVS money. All right, so game. The game was on sale for $4.94. We had a $2 coupon, not in our CVS digital, but in our P&G. Now, today, honey, I'm going to spend all my detergent coupons. So I'm going to put another haul up. I'm on my way to Meijer. So I'm going to put another haul up because, honey, I'm going to spend these gang coupons. I got about 10 P&Gs with gang coupons and tags. So today, I'm going to get laundry detergent wasted. Yes. So anyway, back to this one, $2.94 out of pocket. And that's it. I don't think it was it might have been included in the spend. Let me see. I don't know if the game was included in the spend. No, actually the game I can't remember. I put on the screen if the game was included in the spend 40, but I already had came up to 40 without the game. So let me show y'all my receipt for all the items I got with my EBT card. Okay, so here's my receipt. My total came up to $40.25, honey. Yes. If you get the same items that I got, if you get the same items that I got, your total is going to be $40.25 because I ain't trying to spend a cent more. I could spend a quarter more, but I ain't trying to spend a lot more. Last time I did this deal, I think I went to like $57. Like what? No. I'm only trying to spend $40. And I went to $40.25. So if you grab all those things, that's how much you're going to spend. Here's my $10 extra care buck. Here's my $10 extra care buck. And then I also got my $6 back for my beauty deal that I did last week. So they gave me $6 back for that. Okay, so that was the end of my so that's the end of my spend 40 get 10 deal. I spent $40.25 out of pocket. I got $10 back, making my final cost $30.25, and I put that on an EBT card. Now, I haven't scanned my receipt to Fetch Rewards or none of the rebate apps yet, so I'm gonna scan it, and if I get any money back, I'm gonna put it on the screen how much money I got back. So again, spend 40, get 10, grocery deal. Use your EBT card. And tomorrow, honey, I'm going up in CVS. I'm going to be rich. I'm going to be acting all bougie and stuff because I got $10. Plus, I got my $6. And then I got another $10 in extra care bucks in my purse. So, honey, I got $26 going up in CVS. Honey, I'm finna buy the whole store. Yes. All right. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hecky no, Joe. It's Blowin Coupons, and I'm out.